Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Planning a trip to Singapore is expensive and poor. A comprehensive travel insurance plan can help to protect your investment. It can also ensure you meet Singapore's travel requirements. Travel insurance with COVID-19 medical coverage is required for all travelers entering Singapore. You must have at least $30,000 of medical coverage for COVID-19 related medical treatment and hospital stays, says Sarah McWilliams, Kira, a spokesperson with Square Mouth, a travel insurance comparison site. Square Mouth also recommends at least $100,000 of emergency evacuation coverage. Trip cancellation insurance provides financial protection in the event that you have to cancel your trip to the Lion City. Having trip cancellations coverage may provide benefits for non-refundable trip costs, such as the air tickets, hotels or resort costs, tours, etc. If you must cancel your trip for a covered reason, says Scott Adamski, a spokesperson with AIG Travel. Not all reasons to cancel your trip will be reimbursed by your standard travel insurance plan. For example, if your daughter's final recital was rescheduled and now conflicts with your vacation, trip cancellation coverage won't be much help. Cancel for any reason insurance. If you want the flexibility to cancel your trip for any reason and receive some insurance reimbursement, consider adding cancel for any reason coverage. This optional coverage allows you to cancel your trip for any reason as long as you do so no later than 48 hours prior to your scheduled departure. Trip delay insurance. Visiting Singapore will likely involve connecting flights, so trip delay insurance could prove valuable, especially given how frequent flight delays and cancellations have become. For example, if you are flying from Chicago to Singapore and your connecting flight in Istanbul is delayed for 18 hours, trip delay insurance can help. This coverage can reimburse you for a hotel stay, a taxi to the hotel, meals, and some toiletries to tide you over until your new flight. Trip interruption insurance. Imagine you are strolling through Singapore's Garden by the Bay, admiring the beautiful display, and you get a call from your neighbor bringing news of a fire that destroyed your home. If you want to cut your trip short to handle devastating matters back home, you can turn to your trip interruption insurance to help cover the cost of return expenses. As part of this coverage, your travel carrier can help arrange return travel plans and cover the cost of a last-minute one-way economy ticket home. Then, travel medical insurance for injury and illness. Your US-based health insurance policy may cover you in the States, but once you leave, that coverage often stays behind. That is particularly true if you are a senior with Medicare. If you become ill or injured on your holiday, a trip to an emergency facility can be costly. Travel medical insurance helps decrease the financial burden. For instance, if you are on a bicycle tour in Singapore and collide with another cyclist and require an X-ray and stitches, your travel insurance will cover medical treatment and any medicine you need, up to the limits of your policy. Medical evacuation insurance for adventures gone awry. While some medical emergencies can be handled by local hospitals and physicians, that is not always the case. If you need to be evacuated to a suitable treatment location, or in some cases back to US, emergency medical evacuation insurance can cover the cost to get you there. Sentosa Island, Singapore Island. Retreat boasts of beaches, zip lines, water sports, and a thrilling three-wheeled log cat ride. Should you become injured while ziplining and need to be taken by an air ambulance for medical attention, your travel insurance plan will cover the cost of the medevac. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.